Are you tired of feeling stuck in a dead-end job or living a paycheck to paycheck? Yes? And do you have a passion for teaching and desire to share your knowledge with the world, but feel held back by your lack of confidence in speaking English? Yes? I don't hear you. Great. I imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere, the ability to make a real impact on others' lives, and the financial security to live the life you always dreamed of. This is the reality that I, a non-native English speaker, was able to achieve by creating my online courses. And I will tell you how in just a second, but first let me share my story. I've had so many failures in my life and felt desperate. I feel like I was living someone else's life and I knew I was meant for more. I longed for the freedom to work from home and create passive income, but nothing seemed to work. That is until I discovered the secret formula for success. And I had finally found my passion for teaching, and I wanted to share my knowledge with the world. But my lack of confidence in my English-speaking abilities held me back. I felt like I couldn't reach a global audience and make a real impact on others' lives. But I didn't stop there. I was determined to break free from my limitations and my limiting beliefs, and I did. With the right system and strategy, I was able to create a successful online course business and change countless lives. The important thing is, I didn't need a college degree to do so, just a proven system that works. And now, I want to share that system with you. In my Masterclass Mastery course, I will open up the curtains and show you everything I know. It took me years to figure all things out, and you will get in hours. You too can break free from your limitations and reach a global audience. You too can create an income stream and live the life you've always dreamed of. In my Masterclass Mastery course, I will share with you the exact steps and strategies I'm using to reach a global audience. And you don't need to be a Harvard grad or fluent English speaker to succeed in this rapidly growing industry. With my guidance, you will learn how to narrow down your niche, share your expertise, and create a course that stands out, even if you think you don't have anything to share with the world. Don't let your lack of confidence or language barriers hold you back any longer. Those beliefs already cost you too much. Now is the perfect time to invest in yourself and take control of your future. Enroll in my Masterclass Mastery course today and start your journey to financial freedom and true fulfillment. You have unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. Enroll now and let me show you how.